Hey you guys, we out here in Paramount Park. I'm pretty sure we're on the Forbidden Drive. Yeah, we on Forbidden Drive, and we out foraging. Got this book, so I got my family with me, and we got baskets, and I got my snips and everything, so we can collect stuff and eat it later. I will forage in the abandoned lots at my house, but that's nasty. That's cat poop weeds. I'm not eating that. All right, we're gonna see what we find out here, y'all. I don't like dirty plants. Really dirty. And you know, we have all kind of other really long stuff all mixed in with it. The socks. And that just means more cleaning and trimming when I get back home. Okay. I got bed straw.
What?
Right. I want to be brave and tasty. Alright, come on. I'll taste a piece. It was something like that. You just chewed the bottom. You spitting it out a little bit. I don't think it tastes like...
It don't taste like nothing.
Just nothing.
It's bitter. Tastes like grass.
Tastes like grass.
Cooking recommended. Raw plant contains an enzyme which, when ingested in sufficient quantities, destroys vitamin B1. High incidence of stomach cancer. I don't want to eat that.
That's not good. We'll place this back down.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I can't still determine if it's bracken or ostrich flies. I think it's bracken. I don't know. Why we couldn't find nothing easy to identify? I got stuff on me. Cheeses. Yeah. Look at that. Do they look a lot like that?
A mustard, garlic mustard.
That's what that is.
That's what
That
they
we
saying.
got to look at.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is. Let me see. Would it smell like some mustard? Oh yes, it does. We have a winner. That's garlic mustard. It smells. No, you don't agree?
I just smell.
You smell mustardy?
Oh, I'm surprised, yes.
It smells like a whole mustard.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute.
Like, not like that fake yellow Heinz mustard.
Yeah.
But like when you get like a spicy, like a homemade mustard from mustard seeds.
Yeah. Yeah.
It smells just like it. So that's a good identifier. We know we got that. That's right. We done picked all these foraging things. It said only try 1 or 2 things at a time. It's turning black too. So I'm making a ceviche. I forgot to start recording when I started, but anyway, I put hearts of palm, tomatoes, red onion, some cilantro, and I actually did cut up some of the garlic mustard that we foraged from the forest today, and I put that in there too. My fingers all purple from these mulberries that we collect. I'm finna make juice. All right, y'all. So I also cut up some yellow peppers. I'm gonna put that in there too. And I also cut up some asparagus tops and put in there. So that's what's in my ceviche. Yellow peppers, hearts of palm, asparagus, yellow tomatoes, cilantro, and garlic mustard from the forest. And then I'm gonna put in some spicy oregano from my garden. But then that's it. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice in there and some avocado oil, and some salt, pepper, and spices. That's what we're gonna have. Okay. You mess around and squeeze seeds in your recipe that you then can't find them and get them out. Got me some pink Himalayan salt. Got me some pepper. Got me some, this is salt-free garlic and herb seasoning from Auntie Aldi's. I'm gonna put in some granulated kelp. Give it another little bit of, like a seafood flavor. Put a little bit of minced garlic in there. And then I have these seaweed pearls that I found at IKEA. They really look like and taste like, I mean, they give you the impression that you eating, what's fish eggs called right now? I can't think. Caviar. This was $2.50, $2.69 or something. Whatever. Then I'm gonna put, I got half an avocado. I'm gonna put that in here with all the rest of my stuff. Some grapeseed oil. Just a little drizzle. Snizzle, dizzle, drizzle. It smells pretty good. Feel like I need garlic powder, but I can't find it no goddamn where. Whatever. See what we got going on here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh hell yes. Just throw the rest of these peppers up in here. It don't need nothing. Ciao. Then you got ceviche.